Quick video on how to set the upholstery tack. It's a decorative tack. You can use it on anything when you're decorating a piece of furniture or whatever. You just take the tack. I've got a piece of leather here, and basically all you do is set it similar to like a nail. I use a plastic mallet so you don't damage it, and you just tap it in like so. And that's all there is to it. If you want to set another one beside it, kind of give you an idea of what you might want to mark your holes out. Basically like that. That's all there is to it. Just a quick demo on the upholstery tacks.